The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama, Escambia County in south central Alabama, northwestern Okaloosa County in northwestern Florida, Santa Rosa County in northwestern Florida, Escambia County in northwestern Florida, until 5 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:12 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Atmore to 12 miles west of Molino to 10 miles east of Robertsdale to Bonsegur, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pensacola, Ferry Pass, Brent, West Pensacola, Ensley, Warrington, Gonzales, Gulf Shores, Atmore, Foley, Pace, Milton, Gulf Breeze, Brewton, Orange Beach, Dooley, Century, Flomaton, Baghdad, and Lillian. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama, Baldwin and Escambia, in the following counties in Florida, Escambia, Okaloosa, and Santa Rosa. This is a special weather